Residents in the San Francisco Bay Area were shaken awake in the early hours of Thursday morning after a magnitude 4.4 earthquake hit the region. The quake's epicenter was on the eastern edge of Berkeley at a depth of 8 miles, according to the United States Geological Survey, hitting just after 2:30 a.m. local time. There were no immediate reports of damage or injuries, but enough people tweeted they felt the tremor to make #earthquake the top trending topic worldwide. It was initially reported by the USGS as a magnitude 4.7 event before being quickly downgraded.